Hey there, space enthusiasts. What if I told you the future of space exploration just got a whole lot more gigantic? Elon Musk, the mastermind behind SpaceX, has just unveiled a groundbreaking update about the Starship project. And trust me, this revelation is about to blow your mind. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about this insanely larger Starship and how it's going to reshape humanity's journey to the stars. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready for liftoff. This is going to be epic. If you've been following the thrilling journey of SpaceX's Starship program, you know it's been a roller coaster of innovation. Looking back, the 5th and 6th Starship flights were both groundbreaking, but it's clear that Flight 5 stole the show. Why? It achieved the jaw-dropping milestone of catching the booster with the Mechazilla Tower, a feat that marked a major leap forward for SpaceX. Flight 6 had its own impressive moments, but when the booster ended up splashing into the ocean instead of returning to the tower, many fans felt a tinge of disappointment. But here's the exciting part. SpaceX has just unveiled plans for the upcoming 7th Starship flight, and the details are nothing short of extraordinary. If everything goes according to plan, Flight 7 might not only surpass the achievements of Flights 5 and 6, but also set a new benchmark in spaceflight innovation. In this video, we'll dive into all the thrilling details about what makes Flight 7 so promising. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest updates on SpaceX's revolutionary Starship program and its groundbreaking achievements. SpaceX's journey has been anything but conventional. While traditional aerospace companies often spend years perfecting a single design, SpaceX thrives on rapid prototyping and iterative development. Their mantra? Test early, fail fast, and learn faster. This bold approach has brought us to the edge of the future, and Flight 7 promises to push those boundaries even further. SpaceX's Starship program is a masterclass in innovation and perseverance. Over the years, the company has built and tested dozens of Starship prototypes, each incorporating valuable lessons from its predecessors. It all began with the early prototypes like Starhopper and Snow, which were designed to validate fundamental concepts such as structural integrity and engine performance. While these early versions were far from the sleek designs we see today, they laid the critical groundwork for what was to come. The first major breakthrough came with SN5 and SN6, which successfully performed short hops. These tests proved that Starship could handle controlled takeoffs and landings. Then CN8 took things to a whole new level. It was the first prototype to attempt a high-altitude flight, showcasing SpaceX's ambition to master the complex landing maneuvers required for a fully reusable spacecraft. Although SN8 didn't stick the landing, it marked a pivotal step forward. Each subsequent prototype, from SN9 to SN15, brought incremental improvements. These upgrades culminated in SN15's historic success, achieving a flawless landing and proving the feasibility of the Starship design. With that milestone achieved, SpaceX turned its attention to the next frontier, orbital flight tests. This phase introduced full-stack configurations, pairing the Starship spacecraft with the Super Heavy booster. This marked the debut of what SpaceX dubbed Starship Version 1, purpose-built for integrated flight tests. One of the most notable flights in this series showcased SpaceX's relentless drive to refine their design and operations. These tests aren't just steps forward, they're giant leaps toward revolutionizing space exploration. Stay tuned as we explore how SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, one prototype at a time. Let's talk about Flight 5, a landmark moment for SpaceX. This mission saw the booster successfully caught by the Mechazilla Tower, a jaw-dropping achievement that solidified the potential for full reusability. However, not every flight has been flawless. Flight 6, despite its successes, ended with the booster splashing down in the ocean instead of returning to the tower, a result that left some feeling it was a slight step back. Now, the spotlight shifts to Flight 7, and with it comes the debut of an exciting new evolution, Starship V2, unofficially named SpaceX has confirmed that this next-generation version will introduce a suite of upgrades designed to make the spacecraft even more efficient, durable, and capable of supporting long-term space exploration. The big question is, will this upgraded Starship launch before the end of the year? If it does, it could set a new benchmark for reusable spacecraft. These enhancements represent a significant leap in both design and functionality, even if SpaceX hasn't officially labeled it as V2. The redesigned forward flaps, in particular, are a game-changer, signaling SpaceX's relentless drive to refine and perfect the Starship system. Stay tuned as we count down to Flight 7 and explore whether Starship V2 will not only launch, but also redefine what's possible for reusable spacecraft. This could be the flight that pushes the boundaries of space exploration even further. SpaceX has completely redesigned the forward flaps. Now smaller and sharper, these flaps feature a streamlined joint for a stronger connection to the spacecraft. They've also been repositioned closer to the nose and on the leeward side, all aimed at enhancing navigation during flight and reducing stress during re-entry. These adjustments aren't just aesthetic. They're designed to make Starship more reliable and efficient, ensuring smoother operations for its ambitious missions. The larger fuel tanks in the V2 prototype are another critical improvement. Recent images of Ship 33, the first V2 iteration, reveal a repositioned payload door, signaling a boost in fuel capacity. This upgrade is a game-changer. It will enable Starship to carry more propellant, paving the way for orbital refueling operations. Why is this significant? Unlike rockets like Falcon Heavy or NASA's SLS, which aren't designed for orbital refueling, Starship is breaking new ground. This capability will extend the spacecraft's operational range, making long-duration missions beyond Earth's orbit more feasible. Imagine missions to Mars or the Moon with refueling stops in orbit. It's a bold vision that could soon become reality. Starting with Ship 30, SpaceX introduced a completely revamped heat shield. The new tiles, likely crafted from advanced materials, are designed to be more durable and better equipped to withstand the intense heat of re-entry. This upgrade ensures the spacecraft's longevity and reusability, which are key to SpaceX's mission of reducing the cost of space travel. These innovations aren't just about refining a spacecraft, they're about redefining space exploration itself. With sharper navigation, extended fuel capacity, and tougher heat protection, Starship V2 is shaping up to be the spacecraft that could truly open the door to sustainable, long-duration missions beyond our home planet. The newly designed tiles are built to endure the intense heat of atmospheric re-entry, a critical step toward achieving full reusability for a spacecraft of Starship scale. With thousands of tiles required per flight, reusability is essential for keeping costs low. To further enhance durability, SpaceX has added secondary protective layers known as ablative layers, offering an extra line of defense during re-entry. This focus on heat shield reusability puts Starship in a class of its own. Competitors like Blue Origin's New Glenn, while innovative, do not prioritize heat shield technology to this extent, giving Starship a significant edge in long-term operational efficiency. SpaceX isn't just innovating, they're doing it at lightning speed. The V2 prototype, Ship 33, was built in just 41 days and has already completed cryogenic testing. It's equipped with Raptor 2 engines, but for V2 to reach its full potential, it will likely need the next-generation Raptor 3 engines. The advancements in heat shield technology, engine power, and construction speed make Starship V2 a game-changer. This isn't just another spacecraft. It's a bold step forward in SpaceX's mission to make space travel sustainable, cost-effective, and reusable on a scale never seen before. As V2 inches closer to its first flight, all eyes are on SpaceX to deliver yet another leap in space exploration. The countdown to the future has begun. Elon Musk's vision for Starship extends far beyond Earth's orbit. According to Musk, the first uncrewed Starship mission to Mars could happen as early as 2026 or 2027, followed by a crewed mission in 2028 or 2029. To achieve these ambitious milestones, SpaceX is relying on scalable innovation, rapid prototyping, and reusability. Starship is more than just a spacecraft. It's a platform for humanity's expansion into the cosmos. As we await the final decision on Flight 7's booster, one thing is clear: SpaceX is transforming space travel, one groundbreaking mission at a time. Stay tuned as Starship continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. SpaceX is charging ahead with a clear strategy to scale its operations and ready the Starship system for interplanetary missions. At the heart of this plan is Elon Musk's audacious goal, launching up to 1,000 Starship missions per year. Why such a high cadence? Because it's essential for building a sustainable human presence on Mars. This isn't just about sending a few missions. It's about creating a reliable, scalable system to transport people and cargo, turning the dream of a Martian colony into a reality. To support this ambitious goal, SpaceX is significantly expanding its launch infrastructure at the Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas. The company is already constructing additional launch towers, paving the way for the high-frequency launches required to make interplanetary travel routine. If you're intrigued by Elon Musk's ventures, or just curious about some of his more out-there ideas, check out a fascinating piece on Elon Musk's worst business idea, Hyperloop. It's a short, fun dive into one of his boldest and most polarizing concepts. Definitely worth a watch. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time as we continue to follow SpaceX's journey to the stars. In space exploration, size truly matters. A larger Starship means more room for fuel, cargo, and yes, even passengers. SpaceX's newest update hints at an upgraded Starship that is almost 10% larger than its predecessor. But why the upgrade? By increasing size and capacity, this Starship can handle heavier payloads and longer missions, enabling interplanetary travel with fewer refueling stops. This leap in engineering isn't just about going further, it's about doing so more efficiently. A bigger Starship can carry tools for scientific research, life-sustaining equipment, and even the building blocks for a colony on Mars. Musk's vision is bold, creating a vessel capable of transporting the foundation of a new civilization. So, what makes this new Starship version so special? First, its expanded cargo bay is built to accommodate larger payloads, making it ideal for massive science experiments, satellite deployments, and habitat modules. Next, there's the enhanced propulsion system. SpaceX is reportedly upgrading the Raptor engines to deliver even more thrust, ensuring this massive Starship can escape Earth's gravity with ease. The improved heat shield design also promises safer re-entries, critical for both cargo and crew survival. Lastly, it's built with a modular design, allowing for greater flexibility. This means missions can be customized for specific objectives, from carrying 100 tons of supplies to ferrying explorers to distant worlds. One of Musk's ultimate goals with this Starship upgrade is to accelerate plans for a Martian colony. A larger Starship makes it feasible to transport not just people, but the materials and tools needed to start building a sustainable settlement on the Red Planet. Think of it like this: with its expanded capacity, this Starship can carry prefabricated habitats, advanced farming equipment, and power systems all in a single trip. This is crucial because the success of a Martian colony hinges on transporting as much as possible in as few launches as possible. Musk's dream is becoming more tangible with every innovation. A Starship of this scale could even pave the way for continuous supply chains between Earth and Mars, bringing humanity closer to being a multiplanetary species. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about Mars. A larger Starship also opens doors for more ambitious lunar projects. Imagine a fully functioning lunar base, supported by Starship missions delivering everything from scientific labs to tourist accommodations. And what about deep space? With this enhanced capacity, Starship could serve as a launch pad for missions to asteroids and even Jupiter's moons. This is the kind of scale needed to establish humanity as a spacefaring civilization. The possibilities are limitless, and this upgraded Starship is the key to unlocking them. It's not just about where we go, it's about how far we can dream. Of course, scaling up comes with its own set of challenges. Engineering a vessel of this size requires overcoming significant hurdles in materials, propulsion, and aerodynamics. Additionally, funding such an ambitious project means SpaceX will need substantial investment and public support. However, if there's one thing Musk and SpaceX have shown us, it's their ability to tackle the impossible. From landing reusable rockets to launching the largest orbital spacecraft, SpaceX has consistently defied expectations. As we look to the future, this larger Starship represents not just technological progress, but a shift in humanity's role in the cosmos. The path ahead won't be easy, but it will undoubtedly be worth it. One of the most revolutionary aspects of Starship is its reusability. Traditional spacecraft are often discarded after one use, creating waste and driving up costs. With the larger Starship, reusability becomes even more vital. SpaceX plans to refine its rapid turnaround capabilities, allowing Starship to complete missions, return to Earth, and launch again with minimal downtime. This ability to reuse a larger spacecraft opens the door to more frequent missions. Imagine sending supplies to Mars every few months instead of years, or creating a steady flow of cargo between Earth and lunar bases. Reusability also reduces costs, making space travel more accessible for governments, businesses, and even private individuals. The concept isn't just theoretical. SpaceX has already proven the viability of reusability with the Falcon 9 rocket. Scaling this concept to Starship size could revolutionize how humanity interacts with space. The tourism industry is another frontier poised to be revolutionized by the new Starship. With its massive size and increased capacity, SpaceX could offer luxury space travel for groups rather than just a select few individuals. Imagine stepping inside a Starship outfitted like a luxury cruise ship, complete with comfortable cabins, panoramic views of Earth, and zero-gravity experiences. The larger Starship could even offer extended trips, such as orbits around the Moon or week-long stays in space. While space tourism today is limited to billionaires, scaling up capacity could significantly reduce costs, eventually making these experiences more accessible. SpaceX's partnerships with companies like Axiom Space show that tourism is already a priority, and a larger Starship could make it a booming industry. A larger Starship isn't just about exploration and tourism, it's a game changer for science. Space experiments often face limitations due to cargo constraints, but this upgrade would allow researchers to conduct larger, more complex experiments in orbit or on distant planets. For example, the larger cargo bay could transport massive telescopes, advanced robotics, and even entire ecosystems for research. This could lead to breakthroughs in understanding planetary atmospheres, asteroid compositions, and the potential for life beyond Earth. Additionally, scientists could use Starship to deploy modular research stations on the Moon or Mars, enabling long-term studies without needing constant resupply from Earth. The possibilities for scientific discovery are boundless with such a powerful tool at humanity's disposal. Welcome to Blessovia Science TV, where we take you on an exhilarating journey through the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of science. We are excited to offer you the opportunity to become a valued member of our ever-growing community of cosmic enthusiasts and knowledge seekers. Exclusive access to cosmic content. As a member of Blessovia Science TV, you will gain exclusive access to a treasure trove of cosmic content, including documentaries, interviews with leading scientists, space missions updates, and awe-inspiring visualizations of the universe, live Q, and sessions with experts. Your membership will grant you the chance to participate in live Q and sessions with renowned scientists, astronomers, and space explorers. Get your burning questions answered by those who push the boundaries of human knowledge. Embark on a journey that spans the cosmos and join us in unraveling the secrets of the universe. Become a Blasovia Science TV member today, and together we will reach for the stars. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to leave your comment.